Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the NULIPAM tactical rechargeable flashlight, and we're going to take a look and see actually what's in the box. And again, it is a chargeable or rechargeable tactical flashlight. Comes with a battery supposedly, and 1200 lumens, has a zoomable lens, and it's also IP65 waterproof from what they say. So let's go ahead, and I made it a little bit easier, took some of the plastic off, but let's go ahead and check it out. So in the box, we have our charging unit, so that's going to be for that battery that comes with it. Have our flashlight, we'll look at that in 1 second. We have this, and I'm not 100% sure what this is for. It looks like some type of other... Actually, I have no idea what this is for. It just looks like another on-off. Oh, I think this is for... So it comes with a gun rail mount for an Airsoft rifle, they say, which is all metal, and along with an Allen wrench. And this has like, it feels like an on-off in here. So maybe this screws into the back, and it's just an extension to use the on-off, maybe with the gun sight or gun rail. That's kind of cool. And then we have our rechargeable battery, 3000 milliamps, 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. And you got to use it with the charger. So here's the flashlight. It does feel mostly metal here. I don't see many plastic parts. It is kind of light without the battery, we'll say that. And then you'll see the LED element, and it is zoomable. See how that works. So it is IP65, the name right there. Let's go ahead, open this up. Take a look right in there. And we got, I checked the battery, I plugged it in and it showed green, so I'm guessing it's either fully charged or close to fully charged. And of course, you know, like a lot of import things, does not come with any carrying case or does not come with any real instructions. So there you go. So that's totally on there now. So let's go ahead and try it. Pretty bright. And then I can focus it. Do it like that. That's pretty bright light, that little thing. And it is tactical, so it has like these little jagged edges, so I guess if you had to really smack somebody with it, you could. It's not going to do the same damage as like some of those big old battery-powered lights that took the, like the mag lights that took the 4 double Ds or whatever, 4D batteries or whatever. It's like 20 pounds, you're smacking with it, you take somebody out. But that's pretty cool. That's what's in the box of the NULIPAM rechargeable tactical light. I'm going to do some testing with it, see how it works outside, and kind of get an idea of, you know, how long this works. I want to see if it does any other flashing or anything like that, like SOS signals. Nothing else that I see. So that's pretty much it right there. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. If you use this brand or another brand of rechargeable tactical flashlights, let me know in the comments below if you had any issues with it, anything like that we should be aware of while testing it. And again, thanks for watching. Make sure you click the bell icon so you always stay up to date with the latest Damn Good review, and we'll see you soon.